last time you walked by. I know that you're an angel, but I'm too afraid to fly. Try to keep my eyes open, but the spinning makes me sick. I thought that I knew everything.
One of the main questions I'd like to know, and I'm sure a lot of women would like to know, is what are the benefits of slim lipo versus regular liposuction?
Slim lipo is, I think, the ultimate advance in liposuction techniques. I've been involved with liposuction procedures for over 30 years. And in place of using mechanical energy to break the fat up, Palomar has come out with a device that uses laser energy, light waves in a wavelength that actually melts the fat for you, so you don't have to use the physical force to disrupt the fat. And also it integrates a second wavelength that tightens the skin, which no other technique does. And, there's much less downtime. It eliminates the need for general anesthesia. Patients can go back to work in 2 days. There's very little bruising or pain with this technique. And over the past 19 months, I've completed the procedure on almost 220 patients, and we've had extreme success.
What would you say the slim lipo versus regular liposuction costs are? How would you compare the two? Is slim lipo a little bit less expensive?
I think it does eliminate some of the costs, because in the vast majority of patients, it eliminates the need for general anesthesia. Okay. And the other cost saver is that patients can go back to work after 2 days, so there's much less downtime. With traditional liposuction, usually the patients were bruised and pretty sore for about a week, and recovery from general anesthesia is another factor. It's more work intensive for me as a plastic surgeon to perform these slim lipo procedures, but I enjoy doing them because it's such a good service for the patient.
Right. You would say usually for regular liposuction patients, they usually miss about a week or 2 weeks of work or just life in general.
Yeah, usually they'll miss maybe 5-7 days
Okay.
from work, but resuming sports and physical activities, it's usually about 2 to 3 weeks, whereas with slim lipo, they resume most activities in 5 days, back to work in 2 days. This is who needs the unique interview. She's on my website, you know.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I've spoke with her a few times.
Is she a wonderful lady?
She is.
Wonderful lady.
Sweet.